So now that we're going to use Create React App to create our React app, we first need to make somewhere to store the app. You can do this directly in the command line, but if you're not comfortable with the terminal yet, it might be easier to begin with just to create it in the Finder. So if you just create a folder anywhere, it doesn't matter where. I'm going to create mine in a folder I've already got called Sites, but you could create yours in Documents or the desktop for now. It's best practice to have a folder called Sites that keeps all your sites in. If you haven't got that, it's not a problem. So just create a new folder. A new folder, and we're just going to call this Parallax Demo for now. Let's move itself up there. We then need to access this folder in the terminal. You can do this if you know the path by typing cd. You can cd into it. Possibly an easier way though, if you're not familiar with the terminal, is just to drag the folder you've created into the terminal. And you can see that's now taken us to our path. If you push enter, we're now in that particular directory. So in order to get started with Create React App, we just go to the createreactapp.dev webpage, just scroll down, and you'll see this section that says Get Started in Seconds. So, it really is quite simple to get started. You just need to copy this command, npx create-react-app space my-app, and paste it into the terminal. The my app refers to the name of the app. So in this case, we're just going to change it and call it Demo API app. We're going to hit enter. Just wait a few minutes. And you can see already that we've started to create, that we've got a folder that's appeared in our Parallax demo app called Demo API. Click on that, we can see it's still doing a few things. It is just installing, so we just give it a few minutes. While it's doing this, it's worth installing VS Code if you haven't already. In order to install VS Code, if you just open a new Google tab and type in VS Code download. Choose the first option, and you can see different options to download VS Code depending on your computer. Again, I've already got it installed, but what you do is you click on download, in my case download on Mac. So I'm now just going to open VS Code. And okay, now we can come back. We can see that this is now finished installing. So the best way to open this and see the code is to drag the Demo API folder into VS Code. And we can now see that we've got our code here. So in order to see the app actually run, if we just in the Parallax demo folder, if we just do cd demo API, that will take us inside our demo API folder. So we're now kind of inside the React project. In order to see it run, if you just type npm run dev, sorry, it's not npm run dev, it's npm run start. Maybe it's different for every kind of flavor of React. Just let's allow it to do its thing, and you can see straight away it opens this localhost 3000 port. And here we've got kind of a sample boilerplate React page. So now if we have a look in the code, we've got this source app.js. And you'll notice if we type anything in here, it's now updated on the page in real time. So this is how we kind of get into React, start the actual editing process.